If you've ever felt confused about real estate agents, who works for who, and who's really on your side, you're not alone. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. And today we're breaking down buyer's agents, listing agents, and what it means when one person represents both sides. A buyer's agent works for you, the buyer. Their job is to protect your interests, negotiate on your behalf, and guide you through the entire purchase. A listing agent works for the seller. Their job is to market the home, get top dollar, and negotiate for the seller's best outcome. So what happens when one agent represents both sides? That's called dual agency, and it's legal in Arizona, but it comes with serious limits. I've represented both sides before, and it takes strict neutrality, airtight disclosures, and crystal clear expectations on both sides. As a dual agent, you can't favor either party. That means no advice about pricing, negotiation strategy, or how far to push. In that role, the agent is more of a referee, not a coach. So while dual agency is allowed, it's not always ideal, especially if you're a first-time buyer or navigating a tricky situation. Bottom line, buyer's agent equals works for you. Listing agent equals works for the seller. Dual agent equals works for both, but with limits. Still have questions about agent roles in Arizona? Then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.